I think the Cubanelle is ready to be picked. So it's the next day, Taco Tuesday, and my director has cut up the Cubanelle pepper. Now it's time for me to try it out. So let me just grab a slice here. You see it's a really nice red color. Only I could screw up a short video about a Cubanelle pepper, so I decided to reshoot the ending. As you can see by the fact that there's only 2 slices left, obviously these were good. They went well in our tacos. As I stated before, they've got a nice red color all throughout. You can eat these while they're green. I decided to let this pepper turn red all the way. More or less, a Cubanelle tastes like a mild, sweet bell pepper. I bought one of these plants by mistake last year, and because of that, I had a Cubanelle pepper for the first time. I liked it so much that I decided to get 2 plants this year, and I have to say that I'm happy with the first pepper of the season. Thanks for watching.